Right. Hi everyone. So I'm Laverne Segundo. Isa po akong financial educator from IMG and associate financial planner by the Registered Financial Planner of the Philippines. So for today, i-go over natin yung mga benefits for National Health Shield. Ito po yung HMO for government employees. And group availment po dapat siya. At least 80% po ng buong agency or kung pwede at least 100% para at least to avoid yung anti-selection. So, sino po ba yung mga eligible for this? So, basahin natin. Government personnel employed within the national government agencies, NGAs, including SUCs, GOCCs, regardless of the appointment status, whether regular sila, casual, or contractual. Appointee for elective and on full-time or part-time basis. Basta meron po silang 7K na medical allowance. The group applicant must have an authorized or designated signatory representing their respective government institution, office, or agency. Basically po, meron pong primary signatory sa inyong mga documents and at least dalawa pong witnesses for that. There is no minimum number of members required for enrollment. However, the entire agency or department must participate if they choose to enroll to avoid anti-selection. Ibig sabihin po nito, di ba, at least 80% or 100% para hindi, kung kunyari, government agency ka, tapos ang ipapasok mo lang is yung may mga sakit na, so hindi po siya pwede. Okay, dapat po kung sa total population, at least 80 to 100% po yung mag-a-avail as group availment. All applications will be subject to underwriting guidelines and approval. Yan. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga benepisyo po natin? Alright, so mag-change po tayo ng screen. Or i-flash ko yung benefits dito. Na-open ko lang. Ayan. So, ito yung mga benefits niya. Ito yung eligibility. Principal, ibig sabihin po kung sino po yung employee, must be 18 to 65 years old. Since, di ba, most likely yung mga retirement age ng mga government agency is 65. So, in-extend po nila until 65 years old. So, benefits are as follows. Meron po siyang APE. Clinic-based po siya. Hindi po siya pwede pag hospital-based. APE is, ito yung mga component niya. Physical exam, CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, chest x-ray, ECG, pap smear. Then yung inpatient, so semi-private po yung room natin, 800 pesos. Then covered din po yung operating room and recovery room of MBL, yung 75K per illness per year per member. Yung mga administered medicine, MBL din po siya, ICU, X-ray, and labs examination. Tapos, number 3, outpatient. Yan, mga referral to specialists, consultations, labs, etc. Then for emergency care, yan, physician services, medicines utilized during treatment. Tapos, yung mga cast dressing and sutures, oxygen. Tapos, moving on sa dental, yan, meron din po tayong consultation. Tapos, ang maganda po dito, meron po tayong permanent filling up to 2 surfaces only. Then, additional benefit po for the financial care assistance. Yan, nandito na po yung mga breakdown niya. If natural death, 10K yung marireceive ng family. If accident, 20,000 and so forth. Ayan po yung mga benepisyo po natin. Ngayon, ipapakita ko po yung sa website, no? Kung interested po kayo, if government employee po kayo and naghahanap ng HMO for 2026, message nyo lang po kami ni Christine. And ito po siya. Yan. So, yun yung mga benefit kanina na discuss natin. And you can fill up po itong Google form dito. Yan, adjust lang natin. Yan. Tapos, ilagay nyo lang po yung mga details from here. Tapos, if you need nyo po ng further assistance, kung kunyari malayo po kayo, pwede po tayong mag-Zoom through Teams or any medium channel po na pwede po kami mag-present. Ayan po, ito yung office natin, ito yung number po namin ni Tin. Tapos ako, yung number ko. Tapos you can direct message us po dito sa Facebook. Yan. And then, nilagay ko rin po dito. Same lang din kanina, yung pinasadahan nating benepisyo kanina. Yan, nandito yung mga eligibility. Tapos yung mga documents na needed, ayan po. Yan. Tapos, break down ko rin dito yung mga benefits. I'll post this website din dun sa description ng video natin later. Yan, nandito po siya lahat. Yan. Tapos, inilagay ko rin po dito yung flyer. Yan. Tapos, under naman dito sa baba, ayan, ito yung mga ano na, breakdown ng mga benefits. And mas detailed po ito. Yan. Tapos, dito naman po, mga eligibility kung kailan kayo mag-start. So, meron po siya dito, yung date of receipt and enrollment effectivity date, mga major hospitals covered. Then, ito po yung mga previous clients po natin na nag-avail. Yan, Supreme Court, and at the same time, ito before Cagayan State, mga universities, Davao de Oro State College, yan. Nandito na po yung mga specific na links. So you can go over. Tapos nandito rin po yung steps how to check yung mga clinics or affiliated dito sa Kaiser na networks, hospitals, doctors, dentists, yan. Yan po siya. So if you're interested, kindly get in touch po sa amin, no? Para mag-guide po namin kayo. We can schedule a presentation, either Zoom kung malayo po kayo or via Teams or kung malapit within Metro Manila, we can schedule a face-to-face. Let us know po. Ayan. Again, I'm Lovern Segundo from IMG. Thank you.